guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all guys dialing in, man. Listen, I got an 07 Toyota Camry, and this thing got a lot of issues. We changed the cam sensor, guys, on the car, which happens to be located back here in that area there, the cam sensor, and then it's got two O2 sensor codes on it as well, and I'm gonna show you the locations of the O2 sensors. You got one up right here and the one behind the Cadillac converter, because it's a 4-cylinder, so it only has one bank. Okay, so cam sensor located on the back of the head, and the O2 sensors. One inside the one inside the manifold, and the other one down low. Okay, that's upscreen and downscreen, bank 1 and bank 2. Some of these cars, keep in mind, guys, will have 3, because they will have 2 Cadillac converters. They have one up, and then they have one midways towards the back there. So this is a Japanese model too, so keep something like that in mind. Okay, but that's it on that. Okay. All right, guys. With that being said, man, 07 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder engine, replacing the O2 sensors right here. This is a heat fuel ratio sensor, is what it's called, a heat fuel ratio sensor. Okay. We're gonna pull it out the box, see what we can match up. That would be, how long is the cord? The cord looks pretty short. It may be the one on the bottom, because they don't have anything on the box saying which is which. Just the part number right there. But he got 2 different part numbers. So that's the short one. That must be downstream. Okay? Because the cord will be way too long. It won't be able to plug up, so that one won't go there. That'll go at the bottom. Let's try this one right here. That's one way to tell it, guys, is you could just match it up by the by your cord. You know a little something, man. Yeah, this one a little longer. Okay?
Daryl made me believe in you, man. You might owe Daryl some money, man.
I was racing back in the 80s.
All right, guys, there it is, man. You see how I matched that up, Charles? I had a rubber band. Okay, you see how long this cord is? Opposed to the one that came out, which would have the same length cord. Okay, it will have the same length cord, like that. Okay, look at it like that. It's made a little different, but that's okay. All right, there it is. All right, guys, there you have it, man. Bank 1 and bank 2.
I used to ride that boot.
Damn.
You didn't know ride was like
O2 sensor replacement on an 07 4-cylinder engine Toyota Camry.